In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an alternate message flow, so sending your prospects to a calendar link. Okay, so here we are in your dashboard. Let's head on down to our campaigns. And we're going to head down to our free trial follow up with booking link. And we'll click on edit. So here's a message here. So let's just go and make sure this formatting is correct first of all. Okay, so the one thing we're missing here is our actual booking link. So we'll just finish this editing. And what we want to do now is go back on, so we'll press save starters. And then we'll head down to our settings. And we want to go to our calendars. And you'll see your calendar code here. Select our calendar. So select our calendar 1. And here is our direct link. So we can copy and paste this. Copy that. And take it back into our campaign. Here we go. Press edit. And copy and paste. So as you can see, it's quite a bit of a large, chunky looking URL. So if you're happy with that URL, personally, I would change it, make it a bit more prettier, shall we say, using Bitly. But if you're happy with that, you can leave it there. You can press save and you're good to go. But if you want to learn how to use that, if you want to learn how to make it prettier, let's go on over to Bitly. And we can press on create. Paste in our URL. And we can call this HighLevel Fitness book. Something nice and simple like that. So it's pretty short and sweet, but it sort of explains what it is. Press save. It's taken, so we can make another one. There you go, HLF book first class, and we press save. There we go. No one's taking that link, so we can use that now. So we'll copy this link. Save again. Make sure it's all good. Press copy. Go back into our campaign. And paste that in, and that is looking much nicer. And as always, if you want to test the link, make sure we go into test it to our own phone number. Press send tests. Wait for the ding. Okay, so here's our text, looking nice there, and we just check the link, make sure it's working. And there we go. There's your timetable. We can choose a day, and they can pick a time to come in to see you at the time. Details go on there, and they book their appointment. That will then fire off the automation. So we got 2 day to go, 1 day to go, 1 hour to go reminder. Reminder text for your prospect so that they arrive at your front door. And as you can see, it's quite an integral part of the HighLevel Fitness Eternal Lead Loop. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.